Welcome all. Welcome to Financial Freedom. My name is Samir Bapat, and as you know, we are on day 8 today. In continuation to what we learned last week, we'll be studying about the candlestick patterns and taking it one level further. So this is the second day of candlestick mastery and day 8 of our overall program. We learned how to form the candlestick patterns. I hope everyone whoever is here in this webinar, they attended or saw the video I have uploaded on YouTube, and they are aware how the candlestick is drawn, from where the data is coming and how the candlestick is drawn. Can I have yes from all of you if you are clear how the candlestick is drawn? Great. Okay, now in candlestick, when you look at the chart, this is the chart. Now when you look at this chart, ठीक है, मतलब पहला हमने सीखा, then you will find, okay, wow, I'm able to understand this candlesticks and all. But then the second stage will come where you will start getting confused कि भाई इसको use कैसे करना है, when I can use this candlestick pattern to buy the share, because ultimately it should result in when to buy, when to sell. So what I'm going to do today is the first part, I'm going to teach you what is the significance of each candle. That is point number 1. Point number 2, I'll be teaching where you have to look out for these particular candles, where they are most powerful, where as you will practice, if you read those candles and take the trade at that particular locations, the probability of you earning money increases. So that is how we are going to go about it. So I'll just start with where I left last week. I'll take you through the candles one by one, their significance, and all. Okay. So now, as we discussed, what are the bulls? Bulls, we discussed last webinar that bulls are the participants who are enthusiastic or optimistic about the future, that the price in future, the price of any share will go up in future. So today they are ready to pay more and more price for the same share. So what may happen? 9:15 the market may open like this. It may keep on going up till 3:30 and close here at 3:30. So when we'll form the candle, it will look like this, a green candle where you don't have any wick below, or very marginal wick here and a very marginal wick here. Remaining, you will find that there was a green solid candle from morning till evening. What this depicts is the bulls were very optimistic. They kept on buying till the end. Like we discussed last week, if we see the tug of war between bulls and bear, let's say this side we have bulls and this side we have bear. So what happened was, as soon as the tug of war started, okay, so you can see the whiteboard, right? Whiteboard is visible. Yes. Okay. So as soon as the tug of war started, the bulls, this is BE, I'll write, bears are this side, and let's say bulls are this side. So you have to imagine a war between bulls and bear. Okay. So as soon as the war started in the morning, the empire said, okay, get set, go. So bulls started pulling the price up till 3:30. They kept on pulling the price up. So this day belonged to bulls. They won. Okay. So whenever you see a candle which is full body and very less lower wick and upper wick, that is called Maribazu candle. This has got a significance. Now I'll show the photos at the end, and then I'll tell where to look for these candles, where these candles are most powerful. So I'll share three candles with you right now. Then I'll show where these candles are very, very powerful. Second candle which may occur is a normal candle. Like you have a candle and you have some normal wick which is roughly okay, and on the top and bottom this is a normal green bullish candle. This occurs many times, so this happens anywhere, so it is not very high significance. The first one is of higher significance, this second one is a normal one, where what happened was the market started at 9:15. It might have gone up, then it might have gone down, then again it started going up, then it went to a very high level, again came back and closed here. So this is how the candle will form. This is a normal candle with a normal body and relatively lower wicks. Third candle here is the market opened here. It may go a little bit up, and then the bears, like this is a tug of war, no? So bear started pulling down the price of the market. So the price went down till, let's say, here. At this point the bulls thought, nahi, this is the limit, इसके नीचे हम market नहीं जाने देंगे. And then the bulls started pulling the price up. So from here, again the bull pulled the price up, and the market closed here. And as we know, open price and close price, we will join. This is the rectangle, and this is the body. So you will see a small body on the top and a long wick, bottom wick, and maybe there is no upper wick. How many of you can imagine that this is a hammer? Sort of looks like a hammer, right? Yes. So this is called hammer. This shape is called hammer. It is also called, like bulls have hammered out the bear. Like bulls took the hammer and they went behind the bears. So they hammered out the bear. So this is called hammer also. Sometimes what may happen is the color may be red. It may or may not be green. So what happens is this is also called as a hanging man. If the color, let's say this is the starting point, the price went up, then went down. Again, the bulls pulled it up. They brought it here, again went down, and it closed here. So since the closure is less than the open, this is a red color hammer. So this is also called hanging man. What is the importance of this? The importance, the very importance of this candle is the lower wick. The size of the lower wick is longer, which means the bulls pulled up the market, and this is very important. So wherever you see a longer lower wick, you can always imagine that the bulls are trying to bring the market up. Okay. Then third, we have one is doji, where the market started here at this point, it went down, went up, and again came down and closed here. So this is a doji, which is like having a longer wick on the upper side and the lower side. Okay, so this is how it will look. So let's see this bullish patterns, then we'll go to the bearish patterns. Okay, so Sujay said hanging man has wick on the top. No, just for drawing it came up, but it is like this. Ideally, it is like this. Hanging man or a hammer should look like this. Chota mota wick chalega upar. If there is a small wick, it is okay. Otherwise, it should be looking like a hammer only. Now, if we look at the chart, this is the Asian Paints chart, and I'll go a little bit back. Okay, now you can see the chart. Okay. Now here, if you see the green candles, let's focus on the green candles. This is a green candle, right? On 15th of December, Asian Paints, the market started and the bulls kept on taking it up here. So this was a very, very bullish candle. Similarly, this is also bullish candle. The bull started taking it up. They took it up. Here also same. And if we go down, if we come down here, again, you'll find that the bulls bought here and kept taking the market up on 6th of November. All three are bullish candles, right? But this is a bullish candle on 6th November. This is a bullish candle on 15th November. This is bullish candle on 15th December. This is a bullish candle on 26th December. All four are bullish. But as you can see, the market or the stock went down after this bullish candle. So the question is, कौन सी bullish candle पे can I rely most? Which bullish candle will tell me that the market is likely to go up? Because after this, how I can trust? This has gone down. So I want to know which candle should I trust, which will tell me that the price is going to go up. Correct? Is this the question in your mind or this is my imagination? How many of you are having this question कि भाई ठीक है ये भी बुलिश है ये भी बुलिश है ये भी बुलिश है ये भी बुलिश है तो पर खरीदेंगे कब कौन सी कैंडल परफेक्ट है खरीदने के लिए that is the main trick right that is the main fine tuning about the learning of technical analysis that when to buy which bullish candle is most important so what you have to do is you focus on the V shape okay you focus on the V shape which is this one. Everyone can imagine this V shape coming from here. It is going down and going up. ये V shape समझ में आ गया अपने को? Yes. Now, what you do is, so when you are actually live in the trade, you will not know that this is a V shape. What you will see is something like this. Now you have to take a decision कि अभी खरीदें कि नहीं खरीदें, right? If the price is going down, now this is the challenge that you will think कि should I buy this share or should I not buy there? Will it go up? Will it not go up? How to decide that? We have to take help of supports. What is support? Support is like if you have a ball, let's say if there is a floor, if there is a floor like this, and if you throw a ball on the floor, So ball will go like this, bounce here, then it will go bounce, and it will go further. Correct? How many of you agree? ऐसे ही ball normally ऐसे ही जाएगा. If you throw a ball, it will go bounce, then again it will bounce from here, bounce from here. In another words, what we can say is, ball when it went down, when it touched the floor, it took support here. It took support here and went up. So when we are throwing a ball, if it bounces from here, and that is a invisible glass also, when it is coming, it goes up and comes here. Even if that is an invisible glass, we can roughly guess that this invisible glass will continue and the ball will bounce from here again upwards. Clear? So this is called support. In stock market terminology also, it is called support, where the price goes up, again comes down, and it has a tendency to bounce back from where it has bounced previously. पहले जैसे बॉल की तरह, जैसे बॉल आई, टप्पा खा के आगे गई, फिर टप्पा खा के आगे गई, यहाँ पे जो है हम एक गैस कर लगा सकते हैं कि पीछे भी इसी लेवल पे उसने टप्पा खाया था, तो अभी इस लेवल पे भी टप्पा खा के आगे जाएगी. तो एक रफ गैस हम वहां ले सकते हैं, एक चांस हम वहां ले सकते हैं, और फिर हम अपना ट्रेड प्लान कर सकते हैं. यहां पे जो है, it has come. Now what we have to do is we have to zoom out and see कि पास्ट में कभी इस लेवल से बॉल बाउंस होके गई थी कि नहीं गई थी. तो अगर हम देखेंगे, लेट्स से यहां पे अगर हम एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं, लाइन ड्रॉ करके थोड़ा पीछे चलते हैं. पीछे चलते हैं तो हमको ये समझ में आता है, we can see that previously, where we are right now, we are in 26th October. But if we scroll back, we will see that the price bounced from here. Agreed? Everyone can see? Can everyone see that this price bounced from here? It came down like a ball. Came down, bounced from here. Correct? Here also, it was slowly bouncing and then it went up from here. So at this level, there is a possibility, somewhere here, there is a possibility that the ball is bouncing, or there is a support. We can say there is a support. The price is bouncing back from this level. From whichever level the price bounces up, that is a support level. Now, if you come back here and if you see today, the price is somewhat at that level. Agreed? The price has again come back. तो क्या मैं ले लूं? नहीं. We have to wait for it to reverse and go up. We have to, because there is a possibility that it might further go down. Now we have to wait for it to reverse here and go up. Reverse कैसे होगा? I will wait for two types of candle which we have learned. Candle number one full bullish candle, or a candle with a long wick at this level. So let's go ahead. I'll zoom in. Long lower wick चाहिए. So this formed here. This is sort of doji star, doji formation, which has got lower long wick and upper long wick. ठीक है, market confusion में है. Doji always indicates a confusion where you have long upper wick and long lower wick. It indicates a confusion state. क्या करूं क्या नहीं करूं अभी डिसाइड कर रहा है. I want hammer or a bullish candle. Okay, so this is somewhat bullish candle. Maybe if I get one more bullish candle, see here now I get a hammer formation. This is a hammer formation where I have this small body and a long handle. This is also, since it is a red color, it may also be called as a hanging man. So when the price comes down, it comes down to support level. This hanging man or a hammer formation is very, very important. It's a long bottom. Is it long bottom wick? Okay, wait, let me explain, then I'll wait for a question. So this is a long wick and a small body like a hammer. And I now start getting long wick and a bullish candle. So you can see the price has started settling down and turning up. Here, those bullish candles, this is a bullish candle. This is of a great significance. This shows कि यहाँ पे like a ball, the price has come, it has taken a support and it is bouncing. So this either a long lower wick like hammer or long body candles are of higher significance. We can take a trade here. How far we can take the trade? जो पुराना वाला टॉप है वहां तक, जैसे ये टॉप है, so we can take a trade. Trading plan we'll learn later, but ball अगर ऊपर से ऐसी टप्पा खा के आइए, so it will bounce from the floor and it has a good chance of going till the top here. So it has come here. I have got a hammer also. I have got a bullish candle also. We can take a chance at this level, looking at these candles, and then it can go up. So we were here. So our target was this. It exceeded expectation. Okay. But we have to be happy with, if it reaches our target, we should be happy. We should be exiting as per our exit plan. So now everyone is clear that, okay, you might have a lot of long wick candles. These are supporting candles, okay? But the main prime importance is when such long wick hammer or a bullish candle forms near the support levels. When the price stops falling from that level, it starts going up. These candles are more important. As it progresses up, the क्या बोलते हैं उनका कीमत थोड़ा कम होने लगता है, like their value for using it as a buying indicator reduces. They are most powerful when they form here. As they go up, थोड़ा सा अपने को cautious रहना पड़ेगा. Vikrant asked, this profile is based on 1 day. Is it applicable for 5 minute also? The same theory is applicable for 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, any minute, weekly, daily, monthly. This explanation is global. It is valid in India, America, Europe, Japan, everywhere. Okay. So, okay. So any questions on whatever we have covered? We have covered this bullish candles and a longer wick. We have understood the psychology behind them and we have understood where it is most important, right? Any questions? You can unmute and ask. Anyone has any doubt, any question?
Sir, it also broke that resistance, right? So we should consider the resistance also small resistance.
Here? Where?
Yes, that one, sir.
Here, na?
Yes.
See, what happens is, don't go for the precise support levels. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I struggled, like I'm telling with my personal experience, I was very much like fixated for the fixed levels of support and resistance. Okay, fixed levels means, let's say this is at 2945. So earlier, when I used to read the books, they'll say, okay, this will be near by the round numbers, more by the round numbers and all. But then I later realized that it is not the fixed numbers, it is the band actually. So we have to look for a band. Let's say if I'm going back, here also it is, this resistance is forming here, and support, the support here also, it's a band. So it's not exactly a line. We have to consider the support as a band. That is point number one. Point number two is coming back to this question, that did it not break? Yes, it showed weakness here. So we are waiting for something like hammer or a bullish candle. So once this bullish candle closes, we have to enter above that. So वो ये चीज negate कर देगी. That will negate this thing.
Yes, 6th November actually it broke the resistance also, right? Sir, 1st November resistance, I think.
This
Yes,
one?
31st October, yeah, resistance.
Correct.
You can consider that also, right, sir?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, you are absolutely right. So my question to you is, you have understood the importance of this bullish candle, whether it is more important here and or more important here. It is more important here near the support line when it is turning around. That is the objective of today's session where I am focusing.
Yes.
Ye clear, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So everyone clear? All good? Okay. So this is also, we have understood a concept of support, right? So support, now how to determine support? Let's say I'm here. Okay, this is not a very good example. Let's say HDFC Bank. Okay, let's see this HDFC Bank, it kept on falling here. This is the latest scenario for HDFC Bank. Now, when it is going down, are we seeing anything, something like a hammer here with a longer wick?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, what should I do? So this first hammer formation or hangman formation is the first indication that the price going down is slowing. The fall of the price is slowing. This is the first indication, because the chart is talking to us. Why we are learning this is because we want to talk with the chart. Ki batao, like we have heard that story, Snow White story, mirror on the wall, who is most beautiful of the all. That way we have to speak with chart, because chart will never tell us lies. It will always tell what is the truth. We should be able to read that truth. So abhi kya hai, if I am looking at this chart, the HDFC Bank kept on falling. It has come here. It has first indication it tried to give me कि boss अब मेरा जो गिरना है, ये price fall is slowing down. Okay, how do you tell? Because the longer wick formation has started. If the longer wicks have started, that means the bulls are pulling. See, as soon as you see the longer wick, matlab kya? Long wick matlab kya? Means price during the day it went down and then bulls started pulling it up. Bulls are starting to pull it up. That's why you get longer wick. In a downtrend, you get longer wick because the bulls are trying to pull. They may not be successful to make it green and take it up, but at least now they are fighting back in tug of war to pull it up. Everyone got this feeling? Yes, no? Yes. Step number 1 हो गया कि भैया यहाँ पे जो है bulls have started fighting back with the bears, they are pulling. ठीक है. Now what we do is next is we put a line here. Okay. we put up a line here. We want to check, ठीक है, bulls ने fight तो चालू कर दी, but have they fought in past also at this level or not? What any time in past the price bounced from this level or not? We have to test. If it has bounced in the previously, there is a high chance that it will bounce now also. हम अगर पीछे जाएंगे, okay, now if you see, yes, if you see the price came down here in the past, थोड़ा struggle मारा है, उसके बाद फिर ऊपर गया, correct? So the price bounced from here, price somewhat bounced from here, not very greatly, but yes, there is some support, there is some bouncing of the price happening at these levels, and hence if long wick is slowing down of the price, what is the next thing which will give us a confirmation that it is going to go up? क्या confirmation चाहिए हमको? To wait for a bullish candle, correct? We have to wait for a bullish long candle that will give us a good confirmation that ठीक है, slow down हुआ, long wick आया गया, target क्या है? The previous high is our usually the target. So from wherever it fell down, if we have bullish candle, it might again. Very good question. Pradeep ji is asking how much past in we should go. Decent past. If we are able to find it quickly in the near past, it is good. Sometimes it takes support, 5 or 7 years old support also it takes. So we can go. Sometimes there is no support also. So that time we have to see whether there was a resistance or not. Resistance means the ceiling. If you throw a ball and it hits the ceiling and comes down, that is the resistance. So you have to see whether at this level was there any resistance. ऐसा कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है. So if you see, इसमें it is not that much visible. So resistance means, see, in house also, if I'm staying in an apartment, what is my ceiling is the floor for the person staying above me, correct? So जो मेरे लिए resistance है, if I throw my ball from here, it will hit the ceiling and it will come down. But same ceiling becomes support for the person who is staying above me. So if he throws the ball towards it, it will bounce up. So ceiling or floor is same, depends from which direction you are seeing. See, if the price is going here, it hit the ceiling, correct? तो ये हो गया resistance. It cannot go up. It has to break the ceiling. But same way, since the ball now here, it is coming from the top. ये मेरे ऊपर की फ्लोर वाला बंदा है जो बॉल नीचे फेंक रहा है. So if it is throwing, the same ceiling becomes floor for him. Same thing will become support for him. If it comes here, it will bounce back. It has a higher probability of bouncing up from here. So the same line, we have to judge whether it acted as a resistance when the price was coming from bottom, whether the same level acted as a resistance. Then also it is good. When it is coming from the top, it acted as a support. Then also it is good. We should have a confirmation from past. See, now let's say a few more examples. If we take here, the price came down. Right here also the price came down. This is the candle it came. Past में कुछ है क्या इसमें दम? ठीक है. If we go, if we see, okay, yes, somewhat the price has bounced from here. It has gone up. Here also it has gone up. Looks at decent level to bounce. So you can plan some trade here. So you have to wait for a bullish candle here. So you see there is a bounce, there is a lower wick, there is a bullish candle. There is a possibility our target one is this. This is the level it will reach. Why? why I am taking this target, because इधर उसके सर पे लगा था ऐसा, when it went up it faced a resistance while going up and could not go up further. So again when it is going there, it will face some resistance going up. Fine, clear, everyone is clear. So I have covered two concepts. One is the longer lower wick, you may call it a hammer, or you may call it a hanging man. But what is the philosophy of longer lower wick? The philosophy is the bulls are fighting back. The bulls are fighting back. The bulls are pulling the market or the price up. Where it is most important? It is most important at the support level. What is the support level? Where in past the price had bounced. So two things we have learned: longer lower wick, support level. Correct? Important. Second is bullish candle at the support level is more powerful, higher probability of success. Everyone clear? Okay, so Gauri is asking, is this a daily chart? Yes, this is a daily chart. Same concept is applicable on minute chart, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, weekly chart, monthly chart, everything it is same. Okay, so any other questions in this? Okay, longer lower wick could be red or green. Yes, yes, longer lower wick matlab bulls are trying to pull them. Which first point you are saying, Siddharth? I'm not able to understand. Siddharth Rai said, can you repeat first point again? Which first point? Okay, so future target is the from wherever it is falling, it is likely to go back till that level at least. Utna to jayega hi jayega. So that is how it works, right? It is likely to go back to the previous top from where it has fallen down and now turning around. अब इसको हम exactly opposite कर दें मान लीजिए, तो क्या है? If the lower wick is the indication of bulls fighting back, then what is the indication of longer upper wick? Anyone can anyone unmute and tell me?
Bulls losing the field. Bulls losing the field.
Oh, okay.
Bears are
It
overpowering.
indicates price is coming down. Bear is active.
Bears are trying to pull the price down, right? Now the bear, if
Yes.
there is a longer wick, upper wick, इसका मतलब प्राइस ऊपर गया है and then the bears are trying to pull the price down. Now bears are like they वो बोला बहुत हो गया है यार, कब तक ऊपर लेके जाएंगे, अब ये और नहीं हो सकता, अब ये नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी, अपने को प्राइस नीचे लेके आने का है. तो अभी bears will try to pull the price down. When they start pulling down, we want to become when the price starts going down. So one is we have to see at the longer low upper wick, then we have to see कि इस level पे was there a resistance. Resistance means the price went up and could not go up any further. Then that is a good point to have this longer upper wicks. So let's see in the past, let's validate in the past. ऐसा पहले हुआ है क्या? Okay, नहीं हुआ है, मतलब okay, it was not there, maybe some, so we can adjust our resistance. Okay, so what we can do is we can adjust it little bit. Okay, so let's say, okay, can we say it faced a resistance here, then it went up here, it faced a resistance, again it went up, it faced a resistance, it could not go up, it came here, it faced the resistance. So now कौन सा था यार अपर विक वाला अपने, here है ना? So this is our upper wick. So it has come here, longer wick, it might face a resistance. So this is first indication that the price is slowing down. Second is this. What is this? This is bears pulling down the price since morning 9:15 till 3:30. They just brought the market down. So wherever there is a resistance, at the resistance point, longer upper wick and a full red candle which is pulling it down is of higher significance. This will give a better judgment that okay, there is a likelihood of price going down. So if this long red candle, if it is coming after the price has fallen for quite some time, इसमें यहाँ पे अगर हम देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे इतना दम नहीं है. It's not so strong here, but the strength at the resistance level for this long red candles, the strength is more here, the strength is less here. So if you are seeing a long red candle, don't be afraid. अरे बाबा long red candle हो गया, now will it go down? No. See where it is. Where is it approaching a support or it is starting from a resistance? Based on that, you should be afraid or enthusiastic about the candle. So Vishal is asking a question which is to be covered after 2-3 weeks. We'll come to everything. Cup and handle formation, everything will come. We are just building up our concepts. Okay. So everyone clear about these candles? The importance of the candle, importance of the wick, importance of the support resistance, where the wick is important, where the bullish candle is important, what is the support, what is the resistance. Can I have green signal from all of you कि हाँ समझ में आ गया है? Okay, great. So importance bhi hai. See, so don't worry if you just see a green candle, or don't be happy if you see a long green candle. This may be a misleading long green candle. Okay, because this is near the resistance. So you have to be cautious, more cautious. You can be more aggressive when it is at the support level. It has a higher. Same way, red candle. If you see a red candle, after there is some fall, you need not be afraid too much. हो सकता है कि ये ऐसे ही fake red candle ho, there is a possibility of its to turn around. So we have also understood the support and resistance concept. We have also understood the candlestick, how to read the candlesticks and where to read the candlesticks. Now, expanding the same principle, how would I know that the steam is going away? Okay, matlab kya? See, as sometimes, okay, now Indira looks like you have joined right now only. I have already covered the how to identify support and the method for that. I covered how long, how to decide when to exit, how long should be funds held for. See, right now only understand the concepts. Okay, I would suggest everyone, don't worry ki अरे मेरे को don't take trade tomorrow. Okay, don't go and start trading tomorrow कि अच्छा आज सीख लिया कल कर लिया नहीं. First understand the concepts. Okay. Everything has its own application based on what you are trading. You cannot mix these concepts for long-term trading. You cannot mix long-term trading with the short-term trading. Okay, so trading plan, we will come little bit later. So I would request everyone to have patience. First understand how to read the charts. Once you start reading the charts, then you will start applying the charts. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now, second thing, what you have to see here is how to identify that the upward trend is slowing down. What you will see is, see here, if you see here is the bottom from where the upward trend is starting. Now, if you see, this is the resistance level. Here already this is the resistance level from where it went down. Here, if you see, the chart will start giving you little indications that, okay, what is happening. Okay, now here is where you have to fine tune and practice a lot. See, when it has gone up, see the long wicks start developing. Here there are long wicks, long wick. This is a long wick. So as it goes up, and if the stream of upward movement is slowing down, like the strength with which it is going up, it is not able to keep up that strength, then on the way upward, you will find the long wicks developing more and more. That is your first indication that the bears are trying to pull. Bulls जोर लगा के लेके जा रहे हैं, bears पर फिर भी try कर रहे हैं. So longer appearance of longer upper wick is an indication that the bears are trying to pull. ये थोड़ा सा कमजोर मामला है, इतना आसानी से ऊपर जाएगा नहीं. You have to be cautious about it. So you can go and practice. When it starts, see here also, when it starts, the upper wick are small, but as it goes up, the length of upper wicks will start increasing. So that is a fine tuning what you have to learn. Same is when it is going down. If the lower wicks start becoming longer and longer at the support level, when it has, just hold on. If you come here, you'll find the lower wicks becoming longer and longer as it goes down. Let's take some good example here. Okay. See, as it goes down, if you see lot of longer, lower wicks getting longer and longer before it reaches the support level, तब समझ लो कि मामला थोड़ा बुल्स जो है उसको खींच रहे हैं. It can go up anytime. You can get ready to take the trade. Fine, everyone okay? So far so good. So what we have learned is, we have learned 4 candles, important candles, one full bullish candle, one with a longer wick, hammer. We have learned doji. We have learned bearish, and one, this is gravestone. This is called gravestone because it's like a gravestone. If you see a gravestone, there is a stone lying on the top. That means the bull run has come to its grave. This is like a gravestone. Okay, this candle is a gravestone. So that means abhi मामला खत्म हो गया है bulls के लिए, and it is likely to go down. Fine, everyone okay? So we have understood concept of support resistance. We have understood the concept of important candles, and we have understood the concept where those candles are important. They are not important anywhere. They have to be at a support or resistance level. Then only we can plan the trade. So my request to you all is go and open the charts, have a look at the charts. I have already shared the link how to understand how to use this trading view. Whatever is the trading software, you learn this trading software, the charting software in coming days, so that you are well versed. The way I am able to use, you are also able to use. So I already shared the playlist with you in the previous class and in the group also. So because I am traveling now, the next class will be sometime in next Friday. So next Friday, we will further fine tune this candlestick patterns. I'm not having class this Friday. We'll have after 7-8 days. Next Friday we will have the class. After 27th or so, 27th we'll have next class where I'll show the pairs, how to see the pairs, how are the reversal patterns, and how we can use those reversal patterns to plan our trades. So that will help us there, right? Okay, so any questions for today's session? You can unmute and ask the question. Yes, I'll be uploading the video. Any questions on whatever we learned today? Sir, these concepts are irrespective of whether the entire market is correcting or falling down. Yes. Yes, these concepts are correct for even if entire market is falling down, it may not happen. See, some stocks have to turn up, right? Some stocks will turn around. It will not happen that the entire market goes down together and it comes up together. Some stocks will start turning up, so you can pick up those signals from those stocks and it will start turning up. Okay, so any other question? Okay, so great. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Geeta will come to consolidation. We'll cover one by one topics, small steps we'll take. Keep practicing whatever I am teaching so that you will be well versed with the concepts and you'll be able to use it to trade. So watch the videos again, practice it on TradingView so it becomes more and more clear. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. See you on Friday, next Friday, not this Friday, next Friday. Okay, thank you.